Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bayi Aprilia Ismaili. I'm from 11 Maret University. I just want to represent my article about how is the student mathematical literacy toward the learning style. For the introduction, mathematical literacy is the capacity of individuals to formulate, use, and interpret mathematics in a variety of contexts. Mathematical literacy is in this modern era is very important for students to have because it can help students use mathematics in a real life, can use an effective and efficient method to solve problems, follow up on assessment of the result obtained, and can analyze various situations and conditions that occur and can explain phenomena experienced using mathematical concepts. To measure a student mathematical literacy ability, it is necessary to know the appropriate indicator. Indicators of mathematical literacy ability consist 1. Formulating real problems in solving. 2. Using mathematics in problem solving. 3. Interpreting solution in problem solving. And 4. Evaluating solution in problem. One of the supporting factors related to mathematical literacy ability is learning style. Learning style is the easiest way that individuals have in absorbing, organizing, and processing the information received. Learning style are of three types, that is, visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Mathematical literacy as a challenge in the real-world context consists of categories mathematical content, namely quantity, uncertainty and data, change and relationships, space and shape, and real-world context categories, namely personal, social, occupational, scientific. One of the contexts in PISA solved by researchers in this study, namely shape and space. Researchers chose the content of shape and space that, based on the result observation, students still have difficulty in geometry materials, especially in square and rectangle. The purpose of this study is to describe student mathematical literacy skills in terms of the learning style are visual, auditory, and kinesthetic learning style. Research method. For the first research type in this research is a qualitative descriptive research with a case study method. Data is the student mathematical literacy ability and student learning style questionnaire data. Participants are junior high school students in the West Nusa Tenggara region. Students come from grade 1 of junior high school to Mataram. Subjects are students who have mathematical literacy skills in solving problem phase. The study involved 33 subjects consisting of 17 visual students, 10 auditory students, and 6 kinesthetic students. In this article, data from 3 subjects are present, namely 1 visual, 1 auditory, and 1 student in kinesthetic. Instrument. The instrument used in this study are questionnaire, test, and interview. So this is the instrument we can use to based on the problem. Data collection method. The data collection are questionnaire, test, and interview. Subjects fill out a questionnaire of learning style to be categorized in visual, auditory, and kinesthetic student. Next, the subjects solve the problems of mathematical literacy. After completing the mathematical literacy test, the researchers conducted interviews with students who had visual, auditory, and kinesthetic learning style. Data analysis. The stage of data analysis in this study are reduction, display, and verification. Reduction that stage to select data that are important in the achievement of goals in the study. The data obtained is reduced, which is then displayed to be described by student mathematical literacy ability. Result and discussion. So this is the result and discussion. For the figure 1 is answer structure of mathematical literacy ability with visual learning style. Figure 1 show that visual learning style already capable to formulating real problems starting from what is known, what is asked, and the strategies used. Formulating real problems is a basic literacy ability for students to be able to understand the question given by formulating real problems. The information in the question will be obtained so that it make it easier to do the question. In this section, after visual subject compiles the next real problem using mathematics with mathematical models, and it solved mathematically by writing down mathematical formula or known mathematical models on the problem. The problem-solving strategy is just right, but visual subject does not write down the mathematical formula, but directly enters the size. Furthermore, subject 1 has been able to evaluate solution by concluding and re-examining the work that has been done. For the figure 2 is the answer structure of mathematical literacy ability with auditory learning style. Auditory subjects saw that is already able to formulate a real problem starting from what is known, what is asked, and the strategy used, but subject 2 has fully finished it. Formulating real problems is a basic literacy ability for students to be able to understand the question given by formulating real problems. The information is the question will be obtained so that it make it easier to be the question. In the section after auditory subject compile the next real problems using mathematics with mathematical models and solve mathematically by writing down mathematical formulas or non-mathematically models on the problem. The problem-solving strategy is correct, but because auditory subject does not write down the complete information now, there is an error in troubleshooting. Furthermore, auditory subject has been able to evaluate solution by concluding and re-examining the work that has been done, even though there are errors due to the incompleteness of the information written. For the figure 3 is the answer structure of mathematical literacy ability with auditory learning style. Kinesthetic subject suggests that already capable of formulating real problems, ranging from what is known, what is asked, and strategy used in full. In the section after, kinesthetic subject compile the next real problem using mathematics with mathematical models and solve mathematically by writing down mathematical formulas or known mathematical models on the problem. The problem-solving strategy is just right. However, kinesthetic subject is still unable to evaluate or re-examine the work that has been complete, so that conclusion cannot be drawn from the result of the student work. For the visual subject, with the category of visual learning style meets 4 indicators. Namely, the first indicator of formulating real problems because it is able to explain the information contained in the problem. The second indicator using mathematics because student can choose the right formula. The third indicator of interpreting solution because students are able to use formula as a problem-solving strategies. And the fourth indicator is evaluating solution in mathematical literacy. So that the level of mathematical literacy ability in solving student problems is very good. For the auditory subject, meets indicator 1, 2, and 3. The first indicator can be fulfilled because auditory subject can write down information even though it is not complete. For the second indicator is also fulfilled, namely using mathematics and interpreting solution because auditory subject can choose the right formula and apply that formula as a solution to the problem. However, for the indicator fourth, it cannot be fulfilled as a result of the incompleteness of the information provided. So, that is the resulting conclusion becomes an error. Therefore, for auditory subject, it has relatively good literacy skills. For the kinesthetic subject, only meets three indicators, that is indicators 1, 2, and 3. The first indicators can be fulfilled because subject kinesthetic can write down information even though it is not complete. For the two indicators are fulfilled, namely using mathematics and interpreting solution, because a kinesthetic subject can choose the right formula and apply that formula as a solution to the problem. So, for the kinesthetic subject, it has a relatively good literacy skill. Conclusion: mathematical literacy skills in visual subject with the category of visual learning style meet 4 indicators, namely formulating real problems using mathematics, interpreting solution, and evaluating solution in the problem solving, so that the level of mathematical literacy ability in solving student problems is very good. Furthermore, mathematical literacy skills in auditory subject with the category of visual learning style only meets 3 indicators, namely formulating real problems using mathematics, interpreting solution in problem solving. For indicator 4 is not met because auditory subject does not re-examine the work to evaluate and draw conclusion. Therefore, for auditory, it's relatively good literacy skill. Likewise, with kinesthetic subject, meets only 3 indicators, that is in indicator 1, 2, and 3. In indicator 4, kinesthetic subject does not re-examine the result of the work because it does not write down the conclusion of the problem solving, so that the indicator 4 is not met. Therefore, for kinesthetic subject, it has relatively good literacy skills. Therefore, it can be concluded that the student with mathematical literacy ability with visual learning style have better mathematical literacy ability than students with auditory and kinesthetic learning style. So that's enough for my presentation about my article. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.